Hey friend, can I talk to your heart for a moment? Maybe you've been there too. You promised yourself, never again. You meant it. You prayed. You wept. You even felt free for a few days, maybe even weeks. You thought this time would be different. But then, it came. That moment. That familiar trigger. And just like that, you slipped again. Now you're sitting in silence, staring at your own brokenness. And the thoughts start flooding in. Why do I keep doing this? Why can't I stop? And maybe the hardest one to admit, does God still want someone like me? If that's you, I want to say this gently, but clearly. You're not alone. I've been there too. That deep ache. The shame that whispers, you're too far gone. But here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. You didn't just stumble into sin. You walked into it. Eyes open, heart divided. And now, you wonder if you've disqualified yourself. You think, maybe God's run out of patience with me. But let me tell you something powerful. God's mercy was never based on your consistency. It was based on His covenant. And that covenant, it's not written in ink. It's sealed in the blood of Jesus, not your sacrifice His. Yes, you failed. Yes, you knew better. And yes, He saw every bit of it. But He's still calling you by name. This is the God who leaves the 99 to find the one who knelt beside the broken, who touched the untouchable, who ate with liars and called failures His friends. He doesn't love some future, polished version of you. He loves you now, right here, right in the middle of the mess. While your hands still shake, while your heart still doubts. And no, this isn't permission to stay in sin, but it is an invitation out of shame. Because you won't heal by hiding. You heal when you surrender. So maybe it's time to stop running. Not to religion, not to perfection, but to the arms that were open before you ever got it right. Cry if you need to. Fall apart if you must. But don't stay in the dark. There's no peace there. There never was. Because the same voice that called Lazarus from the grave is calling you now, not with condemnation, but with compassion. God saw it all, and still He wants you, not to punish, but to restore, not to scold, but to love. So what now? You don't have to prove you're worthy. You only have to admit you're not, and fall into the arms of the one who already knew and never left. This is grace. This is mercy. This is your moment to come home.